Hi, how are you doing? Do you like free stuff? I do, so long as it's good, and this is good. And if you're watching this at the beginning of October and Halloween is coming up, a theremin is a great free instrument to have, especially if you haven't got a theremin. So this is what we've got. You can change the portamento time, so we can have it. How cool is that? You can play with the resonance and the cutoff, and you can change the delay and the reverb. So how do you get this wonderful free instrument? Well, there is a lovely chap, and I found out about him from two different places in the last couple of weeks, really. David Bergés. He's from Barcelona, composer, freelance, and does production music, library music, short films, all sorts of stuff. So you can check out his website at davidbergés.com. I'll put a link for this and the theremin in the description for you. And there's lots of interesting stuff that he tells you he's doing, but there isn't actually a link to the page that I'm going to show you, and that is davidbergés.com/contact. So this is specifically for contact, and what he's done is he's created there's 3 contact instruments that he's done at the moment: twang guitar chords, tuned glasses, and this theremin. So you could grab the others while you're there. The only thing that he includes in the license PDF is that you obviously can't use his samples to create another instrument of the same kind, but what you can do is use it in your compositions, which is very kind of him. All you do is download the file, and then when you are in Logic, you would open up an instance of Contact, and then instead of browsing your usual libraries, you would go to Files, and I've put it under Free Sounds. There's the theremin, and you just drag that in straight away. Don't forget, if you want quick access to it, so if you were in the libraries and you think, oh, where's that theremin? Don't forget you can add it to your own personalised right-click library here, the quick load. So again, I've got it here, or don't actually have it in there. Let's do it now. Let's drag that theremin into Free Sounds. So now, if I was in the libraries, I just right click, and in my Free Sounds, I can load the theremin straight up without having to search through the different libraries. But up to you how you use it. I think it's a great free offering, especially if you are composing at Halloween time, but good at any time of the year when you need a theremin. I hope you found that useful, and it will prove helpful in the future. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.